I'm stuck in traffic. Like, it's taking me like, what time is it? It's 2:28. It's taking me 20 minutes. It's legit taking me 20 minutes to clear a mile, like to drive 1 mile. I don't even think that was a mile, but we're just gonna guesstimate. I'm sorry if that light is too bright, but so I was smacking on this gum, like, damn, that shit sound kind of irritating. Then I'm like, people that enjoy ASMR like it. So this is stuck in traffic. The gum chewing. Oh no. I wish I knew what was going on up here because I gotta cross a bridge to get from Kentucky to Indiana. And literally, I dealt with a lot of fucking anxiety doing it because, like, it's just a bunch of construction. So now to have to cross the bridge, like, inching across it, it's just gonna have my motherfucking nerves. Shot. My nerves is gonna be shot. Oh, my lips is popping, y'all. I ain't put no makeup on today, so I ain't had time because I thought I was running late. Might as well have put my motherfucking makeup on because I'm fenced to be late any damn way. Oh, this train. What truck? Oh, this one. We're just inching along. For the other side, they just flying. But us over here, man. Us over here. It wasn't nowhere fast. I think this gum about done. I wish y'all could see how slow I'm moving. Like my thing's on 0. It's just been on 0. I really do not even know what the frick is literally, it's supposed to be like a 30-minute drive to school, sometimes 25 minutes, and it seemed like this is going to be an hour-long trip to school. My biggest concern is just wasting gas, sitting in traffic. The right lane is closed. What the fuck? I'm in the right lane, guys. Wait, what? What the fuck is going on? I'm so confused. I don't even understand what's going on. This shit is absolutely a fucking disaster because, like a lot of times, because I ride the same route pretty much every day. I go to school and work in Indiana, so every day I have to cross this bridge, and like it's sometimes where literally every single day, damn, I'm close as shit, my bad. We're literally every day I come and like they didn't change the cones and shit, or they changed the way, so like you gotta pay close attention or you'll end up taking the wrong turn something. Like, yeah, I'm finna just turn off because this traffic is so stupid. These people need to move so I can fucking go. Move, bitch. Move, bitch. Move, bitch. What the fuck their problem is? Home fry. I'm sorry if that's too bright, y'all. Just dim your lights or dim the thing on your phone. I be hating watching ASMR videos and they be like somewhere extra fucking bright, or they be having like bright ass lights. Like, fam, I'm trying to relax and go to sleep, not turn up with your ass. Dim the damn lights. Actually, you gotta be a sub to get out. Like, you gotta just take your shot. Cause ain't nobody gonna let you do this shit. Alright, finally. Alright, y'all, that was that. I'm out of traffic. I'm gonna take the back way. Take the side street, which is like literally nothing but country roads.